Black people who have voted for the DA are not in control of the DA. The DA is controlled by a small clique of white people who sit in Cape Town. They are the ones who plot the direction of the party, including how to fashion propaganda that will make people believe that the DA is a diverse party. In the first place, if you want to check, go back. When the DA was formed, the white people who formed it didn't invite black people to the room. Remember? There was the DP, there was a federal party, there was the national party. They did not invite black people when they formed the DA. Why? Because they didn't want black people to be there to spoil their party. So from the beginning, there was no illusion about it that the DA is a white party.
There's a guy, you can tell that elections are around the corner. Well, I'm sure all of you have seen amavidiyo alibaposta ugogo Helen Zille. Uqale ngokuthi afake inyawo kuphothula, abonisa abantu amaphothula akhona la eJohannesburg. Wesithu wayenzani? Wabhukuda kuyo iphothula. Ebonisa abantu ukuthi hey, amaphothula nanzima kabi. Number 3, izolo bekala eDobsonville bamdonsa ngayo iCanoe. Abonisa ukuthi indlela zalana ziba flooded. And abantu abaningi bayajabula bathi uyasebenza lo gogo ngoba phela yonke indawo aphuma kuyo bagcina bazile bazolungisa. Nami ngashaya izandla ngithi hey singabonga ukuthi khona okunye kubona. Ngiphinde ngikhombe labo ekufanele bayenze umsebenzi ngithi why bangawenza umsebenzi wabo. Kodwa nginalento yokuthi njengoba abanye sebamglorify sebaze bathi asivoteleni ugogo simfake kube uyo olidi Johannesburg. Ake sizibuze ukuthi lapho yena aphuma khona, lapho bekaphethe khona le eWestern Cape oKhayelitsho kuGulethu. Bona baphila kanjani? Abanazo le inkinga esinazo. Awutsizole.
Yena kilapha ngaphandle kudala kwabanjena apha. Kudala iyonto yanamhlanje kudala kwabanjena. So inenzekayo ke kukhe kugcwala amanzi xa blokile phaya kuyagcwala amanzi kuba wesebusika. Ebusika sikwazi nokuphuma phe gateini ivele igcwale nje yonke le ndawo xa kubloke pha. Kufuneke ngoku khona utata odla ngosinceda kunento yoxhola chaba wazenzela into for baxhole pha aze abe ayehla lamanzi kuba nzima noba abantwana babheke esikolweni funeka bakhulula isihlangu nekawusi bayonxibela phesheya pha ze babe bayakwazi uphuma apha kunzima kuyilonto apha and ke ngoku ayolantuka akutsho uba ngamanzi yituwa kuyanuka even now kuyanuka kuthi kuba wesi ke xa sekuphihlike nale ilapha ngaphakathi kuvele kunuke kube ilonto nje singakwazi nokutya.
Lazikhayaza khuleni kwami bahlala bangixwayisa ngento yodwa ukuthi ukhumbule ukuthi uma ukhomba omunye umuntu ngomunwe ukhumbule ukuthi kuneminye iminwe ekhombe wena. So as much as she's showing people all of the things that are wrong like Johannesburg, ukhumbule ukuthi naye ushiye imess lapha aphuma khona and baningi abantu abasafarayo from kuma mistake bewayenza as the administration. So now your question, since ahlulekile le, do you really think that khona into azoyenza la? Futhi silelwa ukuthi sifake intsha ukuthi iphathe. Ugogo uzoyenzana aphathe eJohannesburg.
Basazi sonke ukuthi i-mayoral candidate for eJohannesburg ye-DA nguGogo Zille. So useqalile ucampaign njengoba ubona ubhuti la ekukhombisa into azenzayo ekhombisa ama-pothole. Ngiyakhumbula ukuthi kune billboard enkulu laba beyiveze khona beveze uPanyaza Lesufi ethatha ishower while abantu bengenamanzi. Lokho kususela kwi-statement sakhe uPanyaza asisho ngesikhathi bene-media briefing. Ngakho-ke yiwo wonke lawa campaign abawenzayo eZDA ukuzama ukuveza ukuthi bukani ukuthi lo hulumeni nalabantu enibathembile ukuthi bazoletha inguquko abazilethanga kodwa thina njenge-DA mhlambe khona esinganilethela khona. Njengoba ke ku campaign uye endaweni ezehlukahlukene ehlangane nabantu abehlukahlukene. Izolo ngibona ivideo lapho khona ebeka negroup nje abantu abangabelungu iningi labo bekhuluma ngento ezokwenziwa iDA kwase kusukuma omunye ubaba wakhuluma kanje ngeDA.
Thank you so much for coming here, Helen. I'm one of those people who really don't like you. Just going to be honest. I've never liked the DA. I find the DA to be the most racist party, full of white supremacy. The question for me, and it's a big question, and I know you've said it before, that genocide is a big word, and it goes to there. How can we even trust you to lead anything when you can't acknowledge that there's a genocide going on in Gaza? You say that, please, let me finish. You say that we must wait for the ICJ to rule. The ICJ has found that there's a plausible case of genocide. The ICJ has said that we must respect the rights of people. Amnesty International's ruled, Human Rights Watch has ruled, the International Association of Genocide Scholars has ruled, and you continue to deny that there's a genocide. Where is your morality? How many more children must die? How many more people must starve, Helen Zille, before you will stand up with a spine to the immorality that there is a genocide? And your party keeps saying, your party keeps telling us that it can't do anything, that it can't influence what's happening there. Your party can influence it. Sir, everybody's shouting at me. I was making my point very calmly. Please allow me to make my point. Your party keeps shouting at Helen. Your party keeps saying you can't do anything, but you can. You can support other ICJ case. You can support sanctions. You can support the stopping of coal. You can support the prosecution of people serving in the IDF. That's what you can do, Helen Zille. That's what you can do. Shame on you. Shame on you. Yes, I'm a citizen here and I can speak. Thank you for your time, Helen. I appreciate that you've listened to me. Your constituents and white supremacists might not have. These people might not be listening, but I respect that you listen. Thank you.
Insukwini ezedlule sikhulumile nge-DA futhi okuhle la ukuthi le nkulumo le ikhulunywa umuntu ongumlungu ngoba ukuba ikhulunywa umuntu omnyama beyizo-interpretwa ngenye indlela kodwa ngoba ikhuluma ngomlungu phakathi kwabelungu etshele omunye umlungu wakubo. Kodwa umbuzo obuzo ubhuti lo esiqale ngaye ubaluleke kakhulu. Uma ugogo Zille mayoral candidate kanti iphintsha youth izonikwa nini wena ithuba lokubisebenze ngoba phela kufanele kufike isikhathi lapho khona abadala bezoshenxa khona hayi ngoba kungekho abangakwenza kodwa abanikeze intsha njengekusasa lalezwe. Angithi isiZulu sithi inkunzi isematholeni. Uma intsha inganikezwe ithuba lokuba kwi-leadership lokuthi kube yiyo eyenza le msebenzi while besaphila abadala bezokwazi ukuyiguide izonikwa obani ithuba. Le nto engeke ngakhuluma ngayo ngathi ANC nesifo esibi sokungakholelwa kwi-youth yayo. Kanti uma ufuna ukubulala ikusasa la noma isiphi isizwe, ikhaya, umphakathi, ufuna ubulala intsha, ubayeke labadala. Kodwa uma ubulalele genge encane, laba abadala vela yikho indaba yabo. Yingakho sikhathazeka uma ngabe kudlondlobala indaba ama-drugs, lawa agcine esetshenziswa yintsha yakithi. Ngoba lokho kusho ukuthi ikusasa lalezwe liyashabalala. Kuyindalo ukuthi wonke umuntu ophila uzoshona, uzofa ngelinye ilanga. Kodwa uma bekhona abazali bethu bayazi ukuthi uma behamba fanele thina siqhubeke namakhaya nesobazala nathi nesibazele nathi baqhubeke namakhaya. Kodwa uma singenzi izinto ezibonakalayo bephila bayakhathazeka ngoba bayabona ukuthi ikusasa lamakhaya alikho. Kanti iphintsha ngempela.
The DA was formed by white South Africans who wanted political insurance against a rising black government. That's the core of it. And people don't want to say this, but it's true. After they formed the DA, Tony Leon told us that the DA is a fight back project. The campaign was clear, fight back against black people.
You know, you stand there informed, politically charged and articulate, and then you tell me that you support parties like the Democratic Alliance and the Freedom Front Plus on what analysis as a black person. I mean, this can be accidental. You come from a history that was engineered to exclude you economically, spatially, and intellectually. Yet you align yourself with institutions that at best reject structural redress and at worst sanitize the legacy of that exclusion. So tell me, is it ideology? Is it aspiration? Is it proximity to power that feels like progress? Because supporting policy that emphasizes merit without interrogating the historical deprivation is not neutrality. It's supporting that imbalance. And advocating for non-racialism in a society that was deliberately racialized is not progress, actually. It's convenient. It's convenient for those who benefited. It's convenient for those who no longer want to account. And this is not about loyalty to a race. It's about loyalty to reality. Apartheid was not just a system. It was an economic design, a spatial design, a psychological design. And that design did not fall off or restructure in 1994. It adapted. So supporting parties that do not fundamentally change that design is not choosing better governance, is choosing to uphold the status quo. And funny enough, the status quo that you are protecting so much, it was never built for you. So don't tell me this is about good policy. Don't tell me this is about efficiency. Tell me clearly straight that you are comfortable defending a system that never defended you. So until you can answer that, this is not politics, it's contradiction.
Ukuzokuphala kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani konke lenkulumo nje eyixoxwayo la kusuka ku Prince Mashel kuzobhudile esikhulume ngayo kwaSibeko Justin Khohle igama lakhe nakulomlungu lo bekhuluma no Helen Zille ubekhuluma no Helen Zille ngqo ngiyacela ukuzokuphawula kwakho comment ushare ulike ngiyafisa ukuzwa ukuthi wena kulolu daba nje lixoxwayo kuthini okwakho ukubona ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo sidibane kwivideo elandelayo.